Hi there. Welcome back to our channel, where today we're exploring the 9 essential AI tools that are reshaping productivity and creativity in 2025. From creating lifelike avatars to automating marketing, these tools are set to redefine how we work and innovate. 1. HeyGen and 11 Labs. 2. Suno AI. 3. Notebook LM. 4. Claude AI Coding Assistant. 5. Omi. 6. Instantly and Apollo. 7. Flux AI. 8. Emerging AI Agents. Now, we can discuss these in details. 1. HeyGen and 11 Labs. AI Avatars and Voices. HeyGen and 11 Labs are leading tools for creating hyper-realistic AI avatars and lifelike voiceovers. Whether you're building interactive videos or generating characters for marketing campaigns, these tools offer incredible customization options. 2. Suno AI. Copyright-free music creation. Suno AI specializes in generating royalty-free music for creators. From background tracks to theme music, this tool provides a library of compositions tailored to different genres and moods. 3. Notebook LM Document Summarization. Notebook LM is an AI-driven tool that simplifies the summarization of lengthy documents, blogs, and reports. It's ideal for researchers, students, and professionals looking to save time. 4. Claude AI Coding Assistant. Claude is a powerful coding assistant that helps developers debug, optimize, and write code more efficiently. Its intuitive suggestion. Omi Wearable Meeting Assistant. Omi is an innovative wearable device designed to summarize real-time meeting discussions. It captures key points, action items, and decisions, ensuring you never miss crucial information. 6. Instantly and Apollo Marketing Automation. Instantly and Apollo are game changers for marketing professionals, automating outreach campaigns and lead generation. These tools enable you to target the right audience with personalized messaging. 7. Flux AI Realistic Image Generation. Flux AI is an advanced tool for creating realistic images tailored to your specific needs. Whether for advertising, social media, or website content, this tool delivers stunning visuals. 8. Emerging AI Agents. Google Mariner and OpenAI Sora. The future of AI is here with tools like Google Mariner and OpenAI Sora. These emerging AI agents specialize in task automation, video editing, and more, offering cutting-edge solutions for content creators and entrepreneurs. That's all for today's video. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others discover the future of AI. See you in the next one.